Good day. In this video, I will share to you how to change AMS battery without interrupting the system. This is the engine console. Alarm monitoring system, Aconis. Battery is located at the back. Okay. And first step, this is the main breaker going to battery. Already turned off. We need to turn off because for our safety. Okay, there is alarm AMS battery power fail. Means we already turn off and confirm that the alarm for our main battery is working. Okay, this is new battery. And by the way, there is also a individual UPS that is only for the hub and the monitor, but this CCU for the main CPU is connected to this AMS battery when it's blacked out. But if it's not, but in normal, there is a separate power supply. In case of blackout, this battery is the one intended to supply the 24 volts. Okay. Maker vision 12 volts, 24 ampere hour. Okay, this is our spanner that we used. We already insulate with a tape for additional safety purposes. But if you have insulated spanner on board, much better. Replace 2020. Keep in mind that this battery must be 3 years. Need to change. I already changed January 28, 2024. Remove the old label and see to it that you need to put a installation date on your batteries, and then update your PMS. As a good practice, when you check on board your batteries, UPS batteries, if 2 years running to 3 years, just order ahead of time. 2 to 3 years as per maker of battery, that is guaranteed lifespan of the battery. Okay, before turning on the breaker, see to it that your terminal is tight to avoid loose contact. Okay, I hope this video helped you in your future job.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.